Want to know which ETFs have delivered the best returns over the last decade? Let's break down the top 11 best-performing ETFs from 2014 to 2024. Coming in at number 1 is the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol SMH, delivering a mind-blowing 981.3% total return and an annualized return of 26.88%. With major holdings in Nvidia, AMD, and other semiconductor giants, this ETF has ridden the wave of the AI and tech boom. At number 2, the iShares Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol SOCX, isn't far behind, with a 794.1% total return and a 24.49% annualized return. This fund provides broader exposure to the semiconductor industry, including heavyweights like Qualcomm and Broadcom. Ranking number 3 is the Invesco Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol PSI, with a 692.3% total return and a 23.00% annualized return. This ETF takes a more dynamic approach, focusing on semiconductor stocks poised for growth. At number 4, we have the SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol XSD, which has grown 589.5% over the last decade, delivering an annualized return of 21.30%. At number 5, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker symbol VGT, has grown by 555.6%, with an annualized return of 20.69%. This ETF provides broad exposure to the biggest U.S. tech firms, including Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Coming in at number 6, the iShares U.S. Technology ETF, ticker symbol IYW, delivered 548.9% total returns, with a 20.56% annualized return. It tracks a mix of large-cap tech stocks. At number 7, the Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund, ticker symbol XLK, closely follows with a 543.3% total return and an annualized growth rate of 20.46%. This ETF holds tech leaders like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia. Ranking number 8, the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology ETF, or FTEC, has surged 543.1%, delivering 20.46% annually. At number 9, the iShares Expanded Tech Sector ETF, known as IGM, delivered 521.5% in total returns, making it another strong performer in the tech space. At number 10, breaking away from tech, the iShares US Home Construction ETF, or ITB, has posted a 495.4% return with an annualized return of 19.53%. This ETF capitalizes on the booming real estate and home construction market. And finally, the benchmark S&P 500 index sits at number 11, with a 251.0% total return and an annualized growth rate of 13.38%. While strong, it pales in comparison to the tech-driven ETFs we just covered. These ETFs have dominated over the last decade, mainly fueled by tech, semiconductors, and home construction. But remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future returns. Always do your research and invest wisely. Which ETF are you watching? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investing insights.